First of all, welcome to everybody in this new session of Standard 4. I am here, your English teacher, and I will teach you English in this class. So now let's start the chapter. Open your book first, everybody. That is page number 12. Our new chapter is Mix Up at Birth. Before starting the chapter, I would like to show you some pictures, and through these pictures you have to recognize the name of all those sports person. First picture has been given of a boy, and a blank has been given below his picture. You have to write his name. Second picture is of a girl. You have to write her name below the blank. Third of a man, and fourth of a man. Both you have to write both person's name below their picture. Okay, now let's start the chapter. Mix Up at Birth. This chapter has been taken from the book which has been written by Mr. Sunil Gavaskar. Now come to the point. I may never have become a cricketer, and this book would not have been written if my uncle Mr. Narayan Masuvekar had not come into my life the day I was born, July 10, 1949. Means he is telling about himself, and he is telling about his date of birth, that he was born on July 10th, 1949. After that, it seems that Nan Kaka, as I call him, who had come to see me in the hospital on my first day in this world, noticed a little hole near the top of my left earlobe. Sunil Gavaskar is telling that when he was born on July 10, 1949, his uncle, whose name was whom he called Nan Kaka. His name was not Nan Kaka. His name has been written Mr. Narayan Masuvekar, but he called him Nan Kaka. He had went to the hospital to see him, and he noticed that he had a hole in his left ear lobe. The next day he came again and picked up the baby lying in the crib next to my mother. To his utter horror, he discovered that the baby did not have the hole on his left earlobe. He is telling that next day when he came in the hospital, he took the baby in his hand, who was lying in the crib next to his mother. But what happened? For his utter horror, means he became horrified to see that the baby whom he had taken in his lap had no hole in his left earlobe. A frantic search was made, and I was located sleeping peacefully beside a fisherwoman. Totally ignorant of the commotion I had caused. The mix-up, it appears, followed after the babies had been given their bath. He is telling that when his uncle saw that there is no hole in his left ear lobe, he started to search the baby, that where the baby had gone. Then suddenly he found a boy who was lying peacefully beside a fisherwoman, totally ignorant, means there was no commotion beside the fisherwoman where the boy was sleeping. And I had caused the mix-up, it appears, followed after the babies had been given their bath. He is telling that the baby had got mixed up at the time of bath. I am grateful to my uncle for noticing the hole, for I had often wondered what would have happened if nature had not marked me out. He is telling that when his uncle point out that he had a mark, that is he had a hole in his left ear lobe, and that's why he found him, means Sunil Gavaskar, very quickly, and it became easy for him to find the boy who was sleeping beside the fisherwoman. And again he is thanking, means Sunil Gavaskar, again Sunil Gavaskar is thanking to nature, and he is telling that what would have happened if nature had not marked me out. और फिर से वो कह रहा है, वो क्या कह रहा है कि मैं नेचर को इस बात के लिए थैंक्स करता हूं कि अगर नेचर ने मुझे ये मार्क नहीं दिया होता तो क्या होता. Perhaps I would have grown up to be a fisherman. Now he is telling, अगर ऐसा नहीं हुआ था तो शायद आज मैं एक फिशरमैन होता, वॉकिंग समवेयर अलोंग द वेस्ट कोस्ट, कहीं पे वेस्ट कोस्ट में काम कर रहा होता. It is the name of a place. And what about the baby who for a spell took my place? And again he is explaining about the baby who has taken his place. I don't know if he is interested in cricket or whether he will ever read this book. He is telling that I don't know what the baby would do. If he was interested in cricket, he would have become a cricketer, or if not, then if he would read the book, he will get interest in the book which has been written by Sunil Gavaskar. I can only hope that if he does, he will start taking a little more interest in the Sunil Gavaskar. Thank you. And I am uploading a PPT. I think this will help you in understanding the chapter well. Thank you very much.
Created using Powtoon.